What's better than baked chicken? I would say a crispy chicken sandwich. And this goes perfect because we're adding a snap of apple, some wonderfully bright mayo dressing to this, and we're also gonna add a secret ingredient that you guys have to stick around to find out which one it is. Right now we're gonna make a marinade for this chicken. So we're just gonna take a handful of fresh parsley that I already washed, throw it in the blender, one small onion or half a large onion. The thing is, with this marinade, you can pack in a lot of flavor and healthy ingredients at the same time, so you no longer have to deal with boring chicken. Okay? And we're just gonna do a rough chop on this. It's all gonna go in the blender. Basically gonna become like onion juice. Garlic cloves going right in. For this, I'm gonna add roasted bell pepper in brine in liquid. Going in, and a touch more of that brine liquid. Some Dijon mustard. Add some lime zest to this. Not the white part, just the skin. Half a squeeze. Really not much juice in this, so we're gonna add a whole lime to this. Add some salt. Finally, we're gonna add some coriander. I also added Szechuan peppercorns into this. Right in there. Top it off with a few lugs of extra virgin olive oil. And with that, I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of honey at the top, of course. And we're gonna start it on low first. Next, we're gonna pour this wonderful marinade. I am gonna kick it up a notch with a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. All right, give that a quick stir. All right, now I'm gonna take the chicken. I have chicken thighs. I love the chicken thighs, it has more flavor. And you could just trim it up. This is good. And I'm not gonna debone it, but I am gonna release the bone a little bit on both sides and just poke some holes. Now, a lot of people are gonna say, hey, the chicken's not gonna be juicy. It is, just wait and find out. Okay, the bone's still in there. It's gonna keep it moist. And we're gonna cook this at a high heat with a wonderful coating to keep this skin crispy and the chicken juicy. All right, that's going in. Just make sure the chicken is fully coated in the marinade. Okay, and refrigerate this for at least an hour or overnight for better results. And I'm gonna take some paper towel here, line my baking tray. I could tell already this chicken is very tender. All right, for this demonstration, we're just going to cook 4 pieces of chicken. Just pat it dry. Okay, while the chicken dries, we're gonna start with our seasoning. So we're gonna take cornstarch right in there, some salt, paprika, some dried oregano, and some white pepper. All right, guys, just mix this together. And now we're gonna season it. Let's coat everything. This step is purely optional, but it actually saves me from throwing out herbs that I have left over in the fridge. Sometimes I end up buying more herbs than I need. With that in mind, I want to use up some of the herbs I have. So we're going to make a bed of herbs. Sage is pretty strong, so I'm not going to use too much of sage. And this rosemary is about to go bad. And I'm just going to drizzle a little bit of olive oil on this. All right, take each thickened chicken thigh, set it on the wire rack. Get this open first. And now we're gonna go in the oven at 400 degrees. And ideally we'll cook this for about 40 minutes, but we're gonna check on it in half an hour. So it's been about 40 minutes. Beautiful. Take a look. Crispy skin. I'm gonna let this chicken cool off for a few minutes and then we're gonna debone it. While the chicken cools off, we're gonna make this wonderful mayo dressing. Teaspoon of Dijon, teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, teaspoon of lime juice, and we're gonna thin it out with a teaspoon of vegetable broth. Its consistency is perfect. If it's too pourable, then it's gonna become messy to eat, but this is the perfect consistency. Now we're gonna prepare the bread. So I have this wonderful, soft Italian bread, and we'll do a sandwich about, this is a good sized sandwich. Reason why I chose this bread, it's very soft, and we're gonna make it crispy by toasting it. So I'm just gonna cut it almost to the end. Touch of olive oil. Pinch of salt. And that's going in the oven for a few minutes until toasted.
Add some arugula.
Olive oil. Just to dress. Touch of lime juice. And just fluff that up together till everything is coated. Right, the chicken is cooled off. Still soft on the inside and slightly crunchy on the outside, which is perfect. Now, see the toasted herbs infused into the chicken. Now I'm gonna take the chicken right here, cut around. So now you can fit your finger through. And we're just gonna cut it that way and very close to the bone. Remove the bone. And we're just gonna take 2 pieces for the sandwich. Okay, now I'm just gonna kind of cut some grooves into this. Look how juicy that is. Not all the way through so it doesn't get messy. Now we're gonna assemble this. Right, I also want to add apple to this. Very important. A few slices of apple. Now we're gonna assemble the sandwich. So we're gonna go a little bit of mayo on the bottom. I'm gonna add a little bit of arugula on the bottom too. Now we're gonna go in with the chicken. I'm gonna add the preserve to the other side.
Now time to reveal the hidden ingredient, which is apricot preserve.
Here we're just about done. Take some apple slices. Just chisel off some goat cheese. We finished this chicken recipe. It looks wonderful. It's like half a salad, half crispy chicken on the side, wonderfully crispy bread on the outside, but very soft on the inside. I know a lot of times if you toast the bread too much, it can kind of dry out, but that's definitely not the case. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and this reminds me of another chicken sandwich recipe that I made, which is a crispy chicken cutlet with a brown gravy, something that you've never had, quite unique. Just like this recipe, and like all my recipes, you can check them out at Kyle's Creations 2.0, and stay tuned for the next one. Take care.